Need to find a message in Microsoft Teams? Select the search bar at the top of Teams to locate it. Type in some message keywords and press Enter. Teams brings up top results for messages. You can also toggle these to sort by latest results. Don't see what you want? Select More Messages or select the Messages tab to view more message results. Here, you'll be able to filter search results based on Type to view messages from just chats or channels, Teams and Channels to filter those from a specific team or channel, From to filter from a certain person, or sort by date. You can also filter messages to include those that have app mentions or attachments, or hide results sent from apps and bots. And to clear filters, select Clear All. Choose a message to expand and learn more about it. Or select Go to Message if you'd like to see more context in the actual chat. When you're in Chat or Channel, you can even search within it. Press Ctrl and F, type in your keywords, and then press Enter. And any hits appear in the results pane.